Marvy here. I'm hanging out in the window seat of my room, where I love watching new videos. Oh, which reminds me, I found a new video. Oh, I can't wait for you to see it. Check it out.
What's wrong, Gunther?
I can't find my favorite acorn. I never go anywhere without it.
Where was the last place you had it?
Oh, I can't remember.
Just think. Try to remember all the places you went today.
Let's see. I started my day at the bird bath. Then I went over to the pond. After that, I chased a butterfly through the sunflowers. And the last place... Oh yeah, I planted seeds in the field.
So, bird bath, pond, sunflowers, field. We need to search for your acorn starting with the first place you went and ending with the last.
Okay, but that's a lot to remember.
All we have to do is remember where Gunther went today in order. But we need help remembering. Do you want to help us find Gunther's acorn?
Thanks. Where should we go first?
To the bird bath.
Hi, Bluebird. Have you seen my acorn?
If you see Gunther's acorn, say acorn. Looks like the acorn isn't here.
Bird bath, pond, sunflowers, field. Where do we go now?
Where did Gunther go next? It's the pond! If you see an acorn, say acorn. Looks like it's not here either.
That's okay. I know we'll find it if we keep looking.
What was the next spot Gunther visited today?
Oh, yeah! I chased a butterfly through the sunflowers.
What are we waiting for? If you see Gunther's acorn, say acorn.
Oh, I can't find it. But look, Gabe, I made a new friend.
I think we made a couple new friends. We checked the bird bath, pond, sunflowers. What was the very last spot Gunther went to today?
The field! I planted seeds today. I remember now.
Let's go! Do you see Gunther's acorn? If you do, say acorn. We found it!
I planted it in the ground with all the other seeds. That's really silly. Hooray! Oh, my acorn, I promise never to lose you again. Thanks for helping me find my acorn.
Anytime, bro. And thank you for helping us too. Now, where did I leave my watering can?